Number 5, life insurance myth, that death benefits are the sole purpose of life insurance. Well, life insurance has evolved from being solely a death benefit product to offering a range of living benefits. The ability to access part of the death benefit early in the event of a terminal or critical illness through living benefits riders. This can provide financial relief when it's needed the most. The cash value component also adds a dimension of flexibility, acting as a savings vehicle that policyholders can borrow against for big purchases such as a car or home down payment, or even for retirement funding. This diversification makes life insurance a key part of both short-term